How to fix not receiving verification codes. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, in order to fix that you are not receiving verification codes, first of all, let's launch the settings application on your device. And as you launch the settings application, simply scroll down and tap on apps. Now select on manage apps, and as you do that, you just have to tap on the search bar to search for the application of messages, because the maximum verification codes are coming into your messages. So let's search for the message application over here. Let's see we have any issues over here or not. And as you tap on the messages option, simply you need to do is just clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then clear the cache and tap on OK. As you do that, go back, and what you can simply do is check on your device updates. So check for any updates, and if not your updates, let's see we have an update available or not, and it says no updates available. So we're going to go back and check on the storage, because when you do not have enough storage, you do not receive any verification codes as well. As you check on the storage as well, go back and check if you have entered the correct number. When you do not enter the correct number, then you do not receive your verification codes as well. And even after that, you don't get your issue fixed, you can just make a long press on power button and then tap on reboot and restart the device. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.